Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. Karel Verhoef, and we're live reviewing Ozti East Africa, based in Zanzibar Island. And I'm with Waldemar Mugeberg. Waldemar, good to see you.
Again?
Haven't seen you in a long time. And we know what your business is about. But it's great to have a look at your showroom and what you've got on the floor. You know, and this just shows that you know, you're serious about the business. You occupy a big factory, a big floor space here, and you've got equipment right here. So tell us a little bit more. What do we have here on the floor?
Okay, we don't really carry a huge stock in retail. Yeah, like I said, we do most of our things on order. But of course, clients want to walk in. You know, they would like to, you know, touch, feel the stainless steel. Many people put a lot of value on the, you know, the gauge, you know, the thickness of the stainless steel. Yeah. We like to also show that there's not too much electronics and knobs and fancy stuff. It's very basic, it's very simple. Yeah. But like I said, all the components are of high quality. So at least you can walk in, you can come and have a look, you know, at our baskets are also stainless steel. You know, this is a deep fryer, for example. So you can actually get a feel of the equipment. It's heavy.
It's not a catalog, an online catalog. You can come in and have a look.
You'd like to see things, you know, and I keep this here. This is a very old piece of equipment. Like I mentioned before, we had Tony Marine Restaurant, we had Mcheza Bar. This was actually my chip scuttle and my bain-marie.
Yeah, I'll never forget Mcheza.
So this is about 10 years old. Yeah. You see it's not rusting, stainless steel is still strong, the knobs are still holding well. You know, good piece of equipment. Okay. We also do, obviously we also do the smalls, which be, you know, like what you need behind the bar, you know, blenders, juice dispenser, meat grinder.
You fitted out my camp kitchen. You know, you send me cutting boards and knives and things like that. You know?
Little things, we just walk behind it there as well. We do pots and pans, we do knives, you know, all your utensils and things like that. The company, their family name is Ozti East. That's a Turkish company, and they started it's still a family-owned business, which started about 50 years ago, and they started making pots and pans. Yeah. And they've worked their whole factory out that they fully produce like a one-stop shop. Okay. So from pots and pans, they worked over onto starting to do kitchen equipment, and you know, now it's refrigeration. It's anything that you need. It's a one-stop shop, and they work totally on turnkey projects. Okay. So you're working from high-end hotels who have approved our brand, yeah, down to, like I said, our more smaller clients that that also need our support.
Okay. Well, it's good to see that you know, the things are here. You know, you can come and have a look. You can see the quality. You can feel the substance of the business when you walk into Ozti. I didn't expect it to be at this scale, and
it's very humble. It's like I said, I'm not a retail shop. I'm not an IKEA. You walk in and you can just buy off the floor. Yeah. We do bring in some retail products, but like I said, we work on orders, and we have a good delivery infrastructure now with air freight. Now with the nice flights that are coming in and the bigger planes that are walking in. Yeah. Dar es Salaam is obviously much easier to supply when it comes to quick orders with air freight, but we've solved that challenge as well with small orders. We're bringing just a counter fridge, you know, or even an upright, you know.
I've got some of these cutting boards at camp.
They're good.
Yeah,
they sell like hotcakes.
Karel Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews. We're live reviewing Ozti East Africa, supplying kitchens, catering equipment to the service industry throughout East Africa. Come and have a look. These guys mean business. We'll chat to you soon.